Hello, this is Ksenia from the Barbraza. Today I will show you how the welding robot welds the pistol. Let's go. This is a double-arm welding robot from OTC company. It can work 24 hours per day without any rest. Today we will weld the gestation side store, which is made from steel rod. The frame is 20 mm and the inside is 14 mm. Now let's see how it works. First of all, we take the material from the upstreams and then fix them to the right position. Now we have fixed all the parts, so we can start welding. Look, it goes fast and smoothly. Look, it knows what to do, completely like a well-trained welder, even much better. Here is the welding seam. Now it finished all the welding. Let's see how long it used. Totally 285 seconds, no more than 5 minutes. Let's inspect the quality. For the lock, for the tap, for the connection. Okay, we have finished the welding of one piece of gestation side wall. How do you think of that? It's good? If you need more information about our company, please continue to follow us or visit our website. Thanks. Bye-bye.